Lost and found. Extinct marsupials rediscovered in New Guinea. Two species of marsupials, once believed extinct for over 6,000 years, have been confirmed alive in the remote forests of New Guinea. The ring-tailed glider, Tus ayamarunsis, and the pygmy long-fingered possum, Dactylonex cambue, were previously known only from fossil records found in Australia. Their survival is a remarkable scientific twist, but also underscores the urgent need for conservation in a region facing rapid habitat loss. The Lazarus species, the rediscovery, was no accident. Researchers, led by Tim Flannery of the Australian Museum, spent years piecing together fragmented evidence. Tantalizing sightings, misidentified museum specimens, and subfossil remains. Crucially, collaboration with local indigenous communities in the Vogelkop Peninsula of Papua, Indonesia, proved essential for verification. These communities already knew of the animal's existence, and in some cases, considered the glider sacred, protecting it from outside interference. The ring-tailed glider differs significantly from its Australian relatives. It possesses a prehensile tail and unfurred ears, warranting its classification in a separate genus. The pygmy long-fingered possum, equally peculiar, sports an unusually long digit on each hand, used to extract beetle larvae from rotting wood. Its specialized diet and unique hearing adaptations suggest a highly niche ecological role. Why this matters: the survival of these species highlights the limitations of fossil records in determining extinction. Species can persist in isolated habitats for millennia, undetected by mainstream science. However, their continued existence is not guaranteed. The exact locations where these animals live are being kept secret to prevent poaching. The discovery is also a stark reminder of what may have been lost in Australia due to historical land clearing. As David Lindenmayer of the Australian National University points out, these finds raise questions about how much unrecorded biodiversity has vanished before it could be studied. The threat remains despite their rediscovery. Both species face imminent threats from logging and habitat destruction. Little is known about their precise range and ecological requirements, making effective conservation planning difficult. Scientists warn that keeping these animals in captivity would be nearly impossible due to their specialized diets. These are fascinating and important discoveries, but the extent of logging in New Guinea is hugely concerning, says Lindenmayer. The rediscovery of these Lazarus species is a triumph for scientific persistence, but a sobering call to action. The fate of the ring-tailed glider and pygmy long-fingered possum now hinges on the preservation of their fragile habitat.